Software testing is a fantastic option to make a career in the IT industry. It's a field full of opportunities, with strong demand for skilled professionals. To help you explore this career path, we're bringing a special 3-day workshop to your college, led by expert coach Amol, an expert in automation testing and the author of 2 books on the subject. In this workshop, you'll gain practical, hands-on knowledge about software testing.
You will learn what is manual testing and how to apply it effectively. An introduction to Selenium tool, one of the most popular tools for automation testing. Using Selenium with Java, step-by-step guidance on how to set up and use Selenium with Java programming.
Don't worry if you're new to programming or find coding difficult. Coach Amol will guide you through each concept in a simple, easy-to-understand way. By the end of the workshop, you'll have the confidence to understand and apply the basics of software testing. Enroll now to secure your spot. Details for registration are in the description.